class hiking in Washington, from Rainier to the Alpine Lakes. Mountains, valleys, desert, the Olympics, the North Cascades. But wherever you go while walking northwest paths, there are several subtle ways you can always give back. Like leave no trace, always be cool to folks along the way. When you're home, leave a trip report with the WTA. There are 7 principles of leave no trace. Look them up anywhere. Like leave what you find, respect wildlife, plan ahead and prepare. The little things add up so fast for trail stewardship. So stick to the established trail and pack out those Pringles chips. Please help set a positive hiking culture when you go outside. Use your common sense, we all know how to be kind. Be conscious of the volume of your conversation. No one else wants to hear about your kitchen renovation. Leave no trace, always be cool to folks along the way. When you're home, leave a trip report with the WTA. One more way you can give back after you finish up your hike. Drop a note about current conditions on the Washington Trails website. It's rad having up-to-date trail info, 100% crowdsourced. So go help out at WTA.org/trip reports. Leave no trace, always be cool to folks along the way. When you're home, leave a trip report with the WTA. Leave no trace, always be cool to the folks along the way. When you're home, leave a trip report with the WTA.